Did your edits feel boring without the right SFX? Don't worry. In this video, I've brought you 30+ meme sound effects that can instantly make your edits more fun, engaging, and hilarious. So, without wasting any time, let's get straight into the pack.
Oh shit.
Let him cook!
Oh my god, bro.
And that's it! If you found this pack useful, like the video, and subscribe for more SFX packs, presets, and editing resources. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.